If you're tired of cold showers while traveling in your RV, it might be time to upgrade your water heating system. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 RV water heaters on Amazon that deliver reliable hot water on the go. Let's start with one of the most trusted names in RV water heating, the GIRARD Tankless RV water heater. Known for its reliable performance and efficient design, this tankless unit delivers 42,000 BTU of power and runs on propane, making it ideal for RV setups. It features a brushless 12-volt motor, digital control panel, and built-in freeze protection, allowing you to enjoy hot water year-round, even in colder climate. One of the major advantages of this model is its endless hot water capability, perfect for longer showers without worrying about running out. The unit is designed for easy installation and low energy consumption, helping RVers cut down on propane usage compared to traditional tank models. It's compact, quiet, and built specifically with the road in mind. Next is the Fogatti InstaShower 9 Pro Tankless Water Heater, a powerhouse unit delivering up to 66,000 British thermal units. Designed specifically for RVs, this model offers a 3.6 gallons per minute flow rate, ensuring that your shower, sink, and kitchen faucet can run simultaneously without noticeable drops in temperature. What makes this unit special is its built-in mixing tank that regulates water temperature, eliminating those frustrating hot-cold fluctuations. It also comes with a remote control for adjusting settings inside your RV, and a 15-inch door is included for a sleek, built-in look. With reliable safety features and high heating capacity, the InstaShower 9 Pro is ideal for full-time RVers or families who demand consistent hot water performance. Another excellent choice is the Furrion 2.4 GPM tankless gas water heater. This 60,000 BTU unit is well suited for medium to large RVs and boasts a flow rate of 2.4 gallons per minute. It features Furrion's patented Vortex technology, which mixes hot and cold water to maintain a stable output temperature. Whether you're taking a shower or doing the dishes, this heater ensures you don't experience sudden cold spikes. It's equipped with built-in freeze protection, a wall-mounted digital thermostat, and high-efficiency ignition for minimal startup delay. This model also includes a durable aluminum door for a clean exterior finish and is built to withstand the vibrations and movement typical in RV travel. Coming in at number 4 is the RUNSAIL Tankless RV Water Heater, an efficient, high-capacity option offering 65,000 British thermal units of power. With a 3.0 GPM flow rate, it's a great solution for RVers who need higher water volume, such as those with multiple bathrooms or large sinks. This heater includes summer and winter operating modes, allowing you to adjust performance depending on the outside temperature, which helps conserve energy. Safety is a priority here as well. The unit comes with a built-in pressure relief valve and automatic shut-off to prevent overheating. Its compact size makes it easy to install in most standard RV water heater compartments, and its high performance ensures you won't have to compromise on comfort. Last but not least is the Hike Crew Propane Tankless RV Water Heater, a compact, budget-friendly unit ideal for weekend warriors or solo travelers. Though smaller in size, it delivers instant hot water on demand and is praised for its ease of installation. Users love its simplicity and how well it fits into tight RV spaces, especially in older models or custom builds. This heater doesn't require a holding tank, so there's no waiting for water to warm up. It's especially handy for boondocking or off-grid camping, since it runs efficiently on propane and requires minimal power to operate. If you need a straightforward, no-frills hot water solution, this model gets the job done with minimal fuss.